Poppin' Arts here on the Cake or Spank channel. Looking over some of the YouTube channel startup stuff, and I'm looking at trends, and one of the things that showed up was knitting. Who would have thought knitting is a thing to actually do? So I thought, why not? I'll give it a whirl. So let's give it a go.
So first things first, when you're learning to knit, you need yarn and knitting needles. So here, what it's actually referring to is the diameter of the needle itself.
These ones are shiny.
And this is important. It needs to correspond with the type of wool you're using. So by that I mean really thick yarn, you need to have a corresponding needle size. Now if you're struggling to know which size to use, crochet hook size, but because we're knitting, we're going to look at the knit needles. So you can see there, it says 10mm or US 50 ones with this. Now, then you go up to chunky size yarn, so it's a bit thicker again. Growing the project widthways, and it kind of goes up and up. But I'm going to take the tail end and over like this, so that the backs of them are now facing me. Then this rear strand to pass under this front strand, and I'm going to pull that bit up, and that's your slip knot. Loop, like, and stick your thumb up like you're giving somebody the thumbs up, and bring it to the front and scoop the yarn up from the bottom into that triangle, and then I'm going to slide my thumb out and just slightly pull on the working end of the yarn at the same time. We're going to go to the back and scoop that working yarn up, and we're going to slide our thumb out whilst tugging on hand. And we've now got 3 stitches cast on. Our stitches, and the method there that I just, and we're going to go into the bottom of this stitch that's at the top of the left needle. So it's going to go into the bottom, 2 needles over.
Yep.
So we now have the left needle to the front, the right to the back, wrap it around the back of the right needle, in between the 2 needles, and pull it through here, and then slide the stitch off the left needle. So we now have 2 stitches on our right needle, so it's unraveled and left a hole in your work.
Thanks, lady.
But don't worry, just keep practicing doing those swatches. Until then, keep on knitting, keep on practicing.
That's on. Look at that. Guess who can stitch? Poppin' Arts can. You can get this shirt up on the Cake or Spank channel in the description below. Poppin' Arts out.
Cake or Spank, it's all up to you. Choose the right